Hey guys, Brian here again, and today we're going to be talking about something really serious. Do you know what to do in the event of an emergency? Do you know what to do if there's an earthquake and you smell gas? Well, today I'm going to show you. Okay, look, if there's a huge earthquake, the very last thing you're going to be wondering and thinking about is, did I shut the gas off? It's going to be total chaos, let's face it. But that's the very first thing that you should be thinking about, and you're going to want to make sure that you and everybody else in your house knows how to shut the gas off so that you can shut it off before you go back into your house. So in order to shut the gas off, you're going to want to locate the gas main or the gas meter. It's generally located on the outside of the house. You're going to need a wrench or a crescent wrench or a set of pliers. Oftentimes you can get those special gas wrenches at the hardware store, or you can even get them from the gas company themselves. They'll give them to you for free. But basically you're going to want to shut the gas off. You're going to want to go back inside, open up all the windows and make sure that it's properly aired out. I'd recommend calling a professional if you think there is a gas leak or possibility of a gas leak, to have them come in and evaluate the gas leak situation before you turn the gas on. And whatever you do, don't light anything until somebody's been there to evaluate it and make sure you're safe. Okay guys, so to recap, make sure you know where your gas main is, your gas meter. Make sure you know how to shut it off, and make sure everybody in the house knows how to shut it off. If you do smell gas from an earthquake or a gas leak or something like that, make sure you turn the gas off and have a professional come in and evaluate it to make sure you're safe before you turn it back on. So that's a wrap. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.